Hello everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix you must enter both your Apple account and password issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you're also facing this issue and you are unable to fix this issue, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply force restart your device for one time. So guys, for that, press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go back to your home screen, and now you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to your profile, and from here you have to simply tap on sign in and security and wait here for some seconds. And now you have to simply tap on change password from here, and then you have to simply reset the password of your Apple ID for one time from here. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then go for the next solution. That is, you have to simply open any browser and search here for iforgot.apple.com. Here you can see this, go to this iforgot.appleid.com. Here you have to simply go to this website and then tap on someone else, and from here you have to simply reset the password of your Apple ID from here for one time as well. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply go to support app, and from here you can get any kind of help regarding this issue from the Apple team. So guys, you have to simply explain your problem in a brief way to the Apple team, and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.